Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve or design a pre-stressed concrete beam. So this is one example we are going to solve in this video. So we have to design a simply supported pre-tension of type 1 beam. The span is 25 meter. It is subjected to 12 kilonewton per meter. The data is given permissible stress in compression for concrete at transfer 14 Newton per m square. At working, it is 12 Newton per m square. The initial pre-stress is 1000 Newton per m square. Loss of pre-stress is 20%. We have to add out 4 Fressinet cables, each of 12 wires of 10 mm diameter. Okay, these are the given data. So first let us assume beam width as B meter and depth as D meter. So dead load is 25 into B into D. 25 is the unit weight of the concrete. The pre-stress beam unit weight, 25 kilonewton per meter cube into B into D, 25 BT. Live load is 12 kilonewton per meter. It is given in the question. So moment due to dead load is WL square weight because simply supported. So at the center, moment is WL square weight. So W is 25 BT for the dead load into span L square 25 square by 8. So 1953.125 BT, kilonewton meter. Similarly, for live load, WL square weight where W is 12 kilonewton per meter, 937.5 kilonewton meter. Reduction factor for loss of pre-stress, eta is 80% because 20% loss of pre-stress, so 100 minus 20 is 80%, so we'll get 0.8. Permissible stress in compression for concrete at transfer is given 14, so I'm using variable FBT. In books, if you refer in Krishna Raju and all, they have used FCT. Okay, I have used FBT. You can also refer my another video. I have given the here link where the derivations are given and I have used this variable. So same variables I have used in this video also. So at working is FCW 12 Newton per mm square. When the level of pre-stressing is such that no tensile stress is allowed in concrete under service load or we can say working load, it is called as full pre-stressing and it belongs to type 1. So as we have to design type 1, that means the permissible stress and tension for concrete at working FBW is equal to 0. So if you refer some books, you will get FTW, they have given the variable. I have used FBW. Going to the minimum section modulus formula, Z is moment due to live load plus 1 minus eta into moment due to dead load by eta FBT minus FBW. So as we have all these values, only unknowns are B and D. So here if you see, eta is 0.8 into 14 is FBT minus 0 into 1000 I have done because this 14 is given in Newton per mm square. I have converted to kilonewton per meter square. So I have multiplied 1000. So you will get a quadratic equation, but we have two variables B and D in this. So let us assume B as 0.5 meter and solving this equation, I got D is equal to 1.11 meter. So I have taken 1.15 meter as the depth of the beam. So we are considering 0.5 meter into 1.15 meter as the beam size. So we can now calculate the dead load. So I'm going to use this variables value VD, what we have calculated before, 0.5 into 1.15 into 1953.125. So I got moment due to dead load is 1123.047 kilonewton meter. So total moment is moment due to dead load plus live load. So 1123.047 plus 937.5. I'm getting total moment is 2062.547 kilonewton meter. And the section modulus BT square by 6 is 0.1102 meter to the power 4. So B is 0.5 and D 1.15. So in the question it is given, we have to add up 4 Fressinet cables, each of 12 wires of 10 mm diameter. So our pre-stressing force will be the stress, 1000 initial pre-stress is given, 1000, so 1000 into the area. So 4 cables, 4 into 12 number of wires in each cable, so into 12 into area of this 10 mm diameter, pi by 4 d square, 10 square. So your pre-stressing force is 3771.42 kilonewton. We know this formula pre-stressing force. Again, this formula, all derivation has been given in the video link, right? Another video link which I have given before. So this is area into FPV by ZB plus FPT ZT by ZB ZT. Now this is, rectangular beam. So ZB is called ZT. If I'm using Z, it gets cancels. So area into FPV plus FPT by 2. This is our formula, where FPV is 1 by eta FBW plus total moment by Z. So putting the values, we get 23,371.04 kilometer per meter square. Now coming to FPT, the formula is FTT plus moment due to dead load by Z. Now FTT is unknown, but we know P. P is already given because the uh, cables area, how much pre-stress wires, that is given. So we can use pre-stress formula to calculate FPT. So we know this formula, P is known, FPP is known, we can calculate FPT. So using this formula, so pre-stress force, area is B into D, FPV we have calculated just now, plus FPT by 2. So FPT is minus 10253.06 kN per meter square. So from this we can calculate the eccentricity. Eccentricity formula is ZP Z2 ZT into FPV minus FPT by area. FPV is ZB plus FPT ZT. Again ZB and Z2 are equal, so I'm going to take out Z. So this Z will cancel with one Z of above. So we'll get Z by area FPV minus FPT by FPV plus FPT. So putting all the values, Z we have 0.1102 into FPV. So this is minus value, so minus minus plus FPT by area is B into D by FPV plus FPT. So we got 0.49 meter. So this is from the center of the beam. Or we can say that cables can be placed at a distance of 85 mm from the bottom of the beam. Okay, thank you for watching.